Alright, this is second grade Go Math lesson 9.6, and today we are estimating lengths in meters. Just like estimating inches, this is one of the more challenging tasks for students to do in second grade, is to estimate the length of an object. So a lot of it's just understanding what a meter actually looks like in terms of real objects, and that's what they want students to understand. So in the previous lesson, we measured the table that I'm writing on, and we said it was 114 centimeters. So I'm just going to pan back so you can see that. So it's 114 centimeters. So that equals about 1 meter. And again, it says about how many meters because you're just estimating. You don't know the exact measurement. You're not going to use a meter stick. You're not going to use a ruler to figure out the exact measurement of it. So if I pan back and look over here, a poster would be about the same length as this table, maybe even a little bit shorter than 1 meter. So we're going to write 1 meter. There we go. Now if I have a chalkboard and I pan out and I look at this right here, I don't really use chalkboards anymore, I use marker boards. I would actually probably be about 2 meters. It would be probably about twice the length of this table. Now it depends on the board and everything else like that, but we're just estimating. So I would write 2 meters. Now if I see an answer that says even 5 meters would be quite long. Now if I see something like 10 meters, that would be just way too long. So a lot of it's just understanding. You might see one that's 1 meter, you might see one 2 meters, maybe 3 meters, but past that, there's probably not going to be a board that's longer than that. And then we have a bookshelf. A bookshelf, depending on the size of the bookshelf, would probably be about the size of the width of this table here. So again, I would say 1 meter. Of course, if you went into the library, you could find bookshelves that were much longer than the bookshelves that we have. That you might have, like let's say in a home or in a regular classroom. So I would say 1 meter, maybe 2 meters at the very most. So a lot of it's just is estimating, understanding what the concept of a meter is. And there you go.